Hi folks, Hank, SixFourTrading. I'm live trading the NQs right now. Decided to go ahead and trade that. It's after hours session. I saw something on the NQs. You guys have to learn how to read a chart where just learn how to draw support, resistance lines, zones, trend lines, understand FVGs, Fibonacci's, all that good stuff, right? This is what I saw. You guys can see this. If I can shrink this down. Bring this over more. Here we go. This area here, slide it over. This has been a level of rejection and support in this zone area. Now we done created these highs up here, 22, 319s, 320s on the NQs. But what you're not seeing is this head and shoulders. Head and shoulders pattern. Go up a little bit higher, right? It's down here, we come up, down here. It's an ugly drawing of it, I'll fix it later, but you can see the head and shoulders pattern. Now we broke below, came back up and retested this area today. And now we've rejected. That is a strong key level area of resistance. Now because we broke below it. So typically you break below any trend line, support, resistance line, anything like that. Whenever it breaks below that line, always look out for a retest of that area, especially a major key level, and then see if it breaks back above or does it reject and come down. In this instance, it looks like we're going to reject and come down. I'm watching it, but I'm playing it off of, I like to add in my trend lines to my scenario, to my trade plan. So now I'm looking at a trend line development here. So what I want to see is to stay underneath this trend line. I'm up on profit here about 800 bucks. And I'm looking for it to push down to a certain area. Now, the first area I'm looking for is this key level right here. This is probably my second key level. This is my target zone, my target profit area. Next profit area for that is right here. So I want to see it come down, test this level, maybe bounce around. And I wanted to break down. Ultimate goal on this trend line, on this actual take profit from this trend line coming down, from the failure of the rejection of the zone to break above, is to come down to 21,952s. That's my goal. Now, I'm going to watch this trade, but this is how I trade, right? So I'm looking at support and resistance lines, area zones, trend lines. I'm looking at patterns or everything. If you can identify patterns, you can make money in this market. Looking at us head and shoulders. So I have a lot of confluences that are leading into this trade. I could take profits now, but I'm not, right? That's not the profit target that I'm looking for. I'm looking for it to come down first to first TP, which is around 2290s, and then see what it does around there. I'll pull some of these contracts off and then see if we break down below or come back up higher and try to retest this area. So I'm Hank, SixFourTrading. This is how you trade. This is how I trade. I have a complete course on support resistance lines. It's a great course to get you guys started, either intermediates, even advanced people who don't really remember or understand these concepts the way that I teach them. You can look at that information in the description. I'll see you guys next time.